probably have seen this home before. If not, this is one of the most interesting homes currently on the market. It packs with proper finishes, functional floor plans, and amazing views. And I'm here to tell you everything about it. Prince of Man from Quick Homes Rwanda, and welcome to this exciting episode. Today I'm on Mount Rebero here in Kigali. Rebero is known for good views, good vibes, and just a perfect location. And we're here to tour this amazing property. This home is nice, the finishes are immaculate, it combines so many elements to just give you a proper home, and it's priced at the right price. It features 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, 300 square meters of plot, 2-car parking space, modern finishes, and it's on the market for 265 million Rwandan francs, or approximately $183,000. Let's get started with this episode. From this big sliding black door, we get to this magnificent property. This home is nice and it's located at the right address. Literally, if you walked 500 meters from where I am, you have a movie theater, a place for entertainment for kids, and coming to your home, you see that you have 2-car parking space, good choice of pavers. They come into these 2 shades and have like a random pattern throughout with black and gray, and you look at the property and everything come together. Because as we come to the front porch, we see these straight lines, garden, nice flowers that are blooming. We have these natural stones cladding this nice column over here, and the welcome door made of muvura, tall and strong, just to give you that luxurious entrance. Front porch over here gives you some space, an opportunity to put some seating area so that, if you want to kick back, have some fresh air, this is the location. And when we enter, you enter using this massive, tall muvura door. This thing is heavy, this thing is thick. Come on here. Look at the width of this door. Look at this. Pretty huge. It's more than 3 meters just to go up, and it opens you up to this sitting, dining, and kitchen open space. I mean, look at this space. This is beautiful and as good as they come because everything is perfect. From the choice of tiles, it's perfect. The height ceilings, perfect. Gypsum design, perfect. The lighting is amazing with these nice pieces that look custom, but then they all come together without forgetting the star of the room, which is this massive window. I mean, look at this thing. You would think this is a picture window, but here's this thing. You just slide this, and it's made out of aluminum. You pocket it all the way, and then if you don't like mosquitoes, hey, I got you. There is a net. You open this room, it breathes very nice, and everything is cool and cozy within your sitting area. Fantastic, isn't it? All these things really come to give you the nice experience within your sitting area. This room is massive. This room is very much open, and it just has some, it really lights up your creativity to think of how you can decorate it, place some items, and make sure your sitting area is pretty cozy. Now, we from the sitting area transition to the dining space, which is where I'm standing at the moment, and transitioning to this kitchen. Item in the kitchen, we have a nice island. This island has a cladding of some granite countertop. We have cladding on this side, which is not made out of wood, but made out of porcelain tiles that they placed very nicely. It's pretty heavy, so I can't press it. It's really heavy. So this can definitely be useful. But other than that, we have tons of cabinetry on this side, from the top to the bottom, black granite countertops. And in addition, these cabinets are really well done. I was trying moments ago. The soft close they have is very unique. I mean, if I place, they don't hit. They just close very, very nicely. And you might think it's only on those ones, but if we turn around, we have some storage spaces on this nice island. And as well, they made sure to include the soft clothes even on these ones, which is pretty neat. We have everything you need. Double sink on this side with a pull-out faucet. So just for your convenience, everything is good. Let me check the water. There you go. Pressure as well. Pressure is really good. You can access everything. I think this is a plus. And from here, you see the granite countertops. I love the backsplash they have over here with these nice veins. And as well, we have your stove space, fridge space. I mean, what else can you ask? This kitchen is phenomenal. And it's not the only kitchen we have here, because even back there, we have an additional service kitchen. Of course, you can't have this massive sitting area without a place for the guests. We have, when you open this door, which is huge, there you go, you have this massive powder room for your guests. I mean, everything is spacious in here. I love this over-the-top sink over here they have going on. I think this setup is really beautiful. The light gives it a nice accent, and this is the space for your guests. Now, let's see what does the first bedroom of this house look like. From the sitting area, we have this, again, massive Muvura door, and we open it up, and it welcomes you to this beautiful bedroom. I mean, look at this. Everything is good. The lighting is perfect, big window, high ceilings, tons of lights, and this can fit a king-size bed easily because you have already your closet in here, so you don't need any other extra space. And the closet is made functional. You have open shelves over here, and you have, of course, more storage on this side. And as well, this room is self-contained. Let's check out the bathroom. We enter, and voila, this is the perfect size of a bathroom. Pretty spacious. I mean, look at the size of this walk-in shower. This home is those type of homes whereby, you know, when you are still young, you stay upstairs, but when you grow and older and your knees are not working properly, you come down and you still find there's a room that resembles the master bedroom. And this bathroom is the right thing. Look at it. The tile choices is phenomenal. The devices they use, I love this rain head that tucks within the wall. It's beautiful and tucks properly and neatly down here. All the accents are in black. This is a spacious bathroom, and as well, we have a separator, so no worries that water will splash everywhere, and you still have good spacing for the toilet and the vanity on this other side. This bathroom is really perfect, and it's the only bathroom we have down here, so we're gonna take the stairs and go up there, see the remaining rooms. Come with me. Of course, I couldn't pass without noticing the stairs are in the sitting area. They couldn't leave them just like that. You know, they had to give them some oomph. So we have some glass railings. I love this lighting they have going on. And this, if we see further, we have this big picture window over here to make sure this place is well lit and is breathing. Now, let's carry on. And we get up here. One thing you quickly notice with this floor plan is that the developer maximized the room spaces and sacrificed the balconies, which is beautiful, but they left one balcony space for everybody to enjoy. So we open this up and you have this beautiful space. This place is immaculate. You have some flowers over here, glass railings, pergola above, and the views. I mean, look at this, man. Come on now, come on now. This is beautiful. And of course, this looks like not made road, but you just have only a drive of 100 meters up here to just reach the main road, which is tarmac, so it's not so far. And I can see some machines have been passing, so definitely they're gonna be making this tarmac in a few days. So by the time you buy, it's probably gonna be tarmac. But again, let's take some seconds, immerse yourself in this view. What can I talk about? You see right there, there's a place that looks like a patch of dirt. That's Bugesera International Airport. It's just located right there, straight in your view. And you have all of the Rebero. The famous boutique hotel in Rwanda called Pinnacle is just right there, close to those tents. I don't know if you can see them, but that's where Pinnacle is. And you just have all these goodies and things you can see from this view. Reminding you, Rebero is a nice area. If you need entertainment, you have Canal Olympia just in a walking distance. If you need shopping, you have Simba Supermarket and Sawa City in about just 2 minutes drive from your home. And for accessibility, you can easily access Chichuchiro through this side, and you can easily access town through this side. From where the home is to the city center is 20 minutes. From where the home is to the airport is 25 minutes. From where the home is to the golf course, for those that love golf, is just another 20 minutes. And from where the home is to Kigali Convention Center is 15 minutes. Enough of blatting. Let's now keep on the tour. Back to the corridors. The master bedroom is over there. We'll tour it in a second. We have 2 rooms, and the first one on this floor is over here. And welcome in this room. I mean, look at this thing. This room is massive. This room is open. Again, they have nets, so you can open this up and really let this room breathe. High ceilings. I love that it has a neutral texture, so if you want to customize it with colors, with wallpapers, you are free to do so. Head of the bed over here can fit a king size bed, even a super king size bed easily. You have nice choice of tiles, proper ventilation and natural light. And this room has, again, massive door. Let me close it for a second because I want you to come with me. As we come this side, you have a proper walk-in closet on this side for your room, and this is not the master. You have a nice walk-in closet, good space. You can really make it useful, add more cupboards if you want to. And this door takes us to another massive bathroom. I mean, we can all agree this house has really good bathrooms and well made. So we come over here, nice choice of tiles, built in very nicely. The rain head is good, handheld is clean, all devices are black. I mean, I can't touch anything. I don't want to get some water on my head, but everything is good. Toilet, the spacing is correct. Vanity over here completes this bedroom. I mean, what do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Back to the corridor, we take now this side and see the other room, and this room as well doubles down as 2 things. This can be an office, and as well, it has TV ports, so it can be a TV room and it can be a bedroom. So they left the creativity to you, but gave you options should you want to customize it to whatever you want. Again, big window over here. This room does not have its own bathroom inside. It has a bathroom outside, and they left the closet over here, again, in case you want to turn it into an office or a TV area. So they have the closet over here, and the bathroom itself is also outside. Vanity space. You have your toilet over here, rain head above. This is the smallest bathroom we have over here, but as well, it's complete. And now it's time for the master bedroom. Let's go see it. And behold, the master bedroom. Welcome to this room. It's beautiful, it's huge. This room has 5 meters by 4. It's humongous. And the star of the show is this view. I mean, look at this. Now, let me not be annoying. Let me leave the frame. But look at this view. It looks like a painting that is perfect, and you have to wake up to this view every single day. Think about it. And that is only for $183,000 or 265 million Rwandan francs. Come on now. Come on now. There's more to see though. Let's carry on. The room does not come only with beautiful views, but as well high ceilings, nice chandelier, pretty modern. You have your TV area, head of the bed. You can replace it to put it over here if you want to face the view. Pure customization available in this room. Massive window for natural light and ventilation. And as if that's not all, we have, if we walk this way, we have a huge, massive walk-in closet. I mean, look at this space, pretty huge. You have a lot of storage space everywhere. Whoa, what did I just do? I just cancel it out. Yeah, so you have massive storage space on here with your closet space, and it's big. And this door as well takes us to another massive bathroom. I love the vanity area, this over the top, over the counter sink with these nice quartz countertops, big mirror. Let me turn on the light. Yes, good mirror over here. Toilet, pretty spaced out nicely. And as well, as we walk further, we have this nice shower area, a nice walk-in that is pretty spacious. Glass panel for, you know, spacing. You have a built-in rain head, handheld. Everything is built within the wall. And I mean, what else can you say on this master bathroom? It's beautiful and just pure luxury. That's it with our tour today. We visited this nice villa out here on Mount Rebero. It's a very newly constructed home, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and it's just a modern masterpiece that you can own today. 2-car parking space, 300 square meters of lot, all those are the details. And if you call me on +250 788 44 1844, I can even bring you for a tour. I can give you more details. Just call me. This piece is a nice one, and it's worth your investment if you are really looking for a property worth the money. And speaking of the money, this property can be yours at 265 million Rwandan francs. That's approximately $183,000, and you buy this and it's all yours. Come on now, just call me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We post content like this on a regular basis. Drop us a like if this video was nice. Tell us in the comment what you think, what you like, what you didn't like, what we can change in the way we do our videos so that it's of good value to you. And until next time, it's always been a pleasure, and it's me, Prince Hoffman. See you then.